Under one of these is some duck fillets. Which one are you going to choose? Eric, which one are you going to choose? Oh my goodness. Eric, play my game with me. Eric, I can give you a hint. Eric, look. Eric, what's this? What's this? Where's it gone? Are you going to find it? Look. Oh my goodness, you're laying on it nearly. Eric, you're ruining the magic trick. Eric, I thought we could do a bit of a double act. Can we do a double act here? Look, out, you're going to push over. Mind out the way. Look, it's under, I'll give you a hint, a big hint. There's two little duck fillets, look. Sniff, sniff. Oh my God. You've stolen that one. There's a tiny one left now. Are you going to find it underneath here? Look, you can move that out of the way. Look. And under there is a little mini duck fillet. You're not bothered, are you? Do you want this? Clearly not an animal trainer of any description. Or, oh, it's fell down. It went somewhere. See if you can, it's not on my finger. There. That didn't really work, did it? We're going to have to think of, look, this is what you're supposed to, no, you don't eat it now. It's a bit late for that now, isn't it? Right, so you have to touch it with your paw when you think it's underneath. Hold on a minute. Right, I'm going to put this, underneath one of these. Look. No, that's the packet. You can't have that. Eric, underneath one of these. Right, which one is it under? Which one is the duck fillet under? The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Is it this one, or this one? Is it, look. Oh, not that one. What's under there? Look. Get it in. No, not that one. Is it this one? It's that one, Eric. I'm just trying to make you work for your duck fillets. Pull this one out. Look, watch. Eric. Yay, well done. Get it then. Good boy. We might get there eventually. It might work. I'm just trying to make life interesting for you, really. What are you thinking about? Are you thinking about the little game we played? What is it? Pardon? What? Are you looking for something? What are you looking for? Here. Eric. Okay. A ball and you're happy, eh?